Greetings of the day. Let's enjoy a beautiful poem named Eid ul Fitr. What is Eid ul Fitr? The festival of breaking the fast. Eid ul Fitr is a religious holiday celebrated by Muslims around the world. It celebrates the end of fasting during the month of Ramadan. As we all know, that festivals are synonymous with celebrations. The poet Philip Gross, through this poem, Eid al Fitr, tells us how celebrations never end. If one is over, another festival is round the corner. The first stanza goes like this. In the ninth month of Ramadan, one moon to another, from sunrise to sunset, the true Muslim brother, for love of his God, with faith everlasting, is steadfast in prayer and is strict in his fasting. The poet in these lines tell us that Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, the Muslim holy month of fasting which each and every Muslim brother does for the love of his God and does his prayers and fasting religiously. The second stanza goes like this. But come the new moon, Ramadan is then over. It's Eid al-Fitr and each child is in clover. The boy is all so handsome in robes of white cotton, the long hours of school for a while are forgotten. In the second stanza, the poet conveys this message that the month of Ramadan is a lunar month and it gets over with the new moon. The poet further adds, now it's Eid al-Fitr and each and every child wears new clothes. Everyone is busy enjoying the festival while forgetting the long hours of school. The third stanza goes like this. The girls are so pretty in new party dresses with bright satin ribbons adorning dark tresses. The mailbox is bursting with happy Eid greetings and daytime is taken with visits and meetings. The poet describes in this stanza that the girls even look so pretty in new party frocks with satin ribbons adorning dark long hair. Everyone is busy with happy Eid greetings by visiting and meeting their loved ones. The fourth stanza. The sun sinks to westward, the Red Sea gets redder. As, dressed like a bride, the streets of old Jeddah are in festive mood. Colored lights brightly burning over beach carousal and the ferry's wheel turning. The poet in these lines tell us that with the setting of the sun, as evening prevails, the Red Sea gets redder and the streets of old Jeddah wear a festive look, decorated all over with festive lights, looking like a bride. The poet further describes so well that children get fascinated and enjoy eating delicacies and a ride on the beach carousel and ferry's wheel, which do brisk business. The fifth stanza. There are presents for everyone, treats and surprises. There are goods for the ladies and sweetmeats and spices. Yet one day it's over, each heart's a shade sadder. But wait, only 2 months and it's then Eid al-Adha. The poet in this stanza further describes the festive mood of the festival by writing that people greet one another with presents, treats, and surprises. Ladies are given gifts such as sweetmeats and spices. Then the poet says that the festivity gets over in a day. Everyone feels a little sad, but soon a new joy sinks in. It ends with a heart full of hopes and happiness for celebrating Eid al-Adha, which is just 2 months away. The poet Philip Gross, through this poem, has conveyed this message that all festivals convey love, peace, and joy. People forget all pains and sorrows on these occasions. There is merriment in the air. The mood of giving and sharing prevails everywhere. Hope, children, you must have enjoyed a beautiful poem. Till then, stay connected, stay protected.